Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Story. Learn English through simple stories. In this video, Cindy will show you how to introduce yourself clearly and easily. You will learn some valuable words, phrases, and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. The story will also help you practice and improve your English vocabulary, listening skills, and speaking skills. Listen to the story carefully.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cindy, and I am very happy to share my story with you. I hope my experience will help you learn how to talk about yourself in simple and clear English. I will tell you about my family, my school life, my work, my hobbies, and my plans for the future. I am 26 years old, and I was born in a small, quiet town near the coast. My town is known for its clean air, friendly people, and beautiful views of the sea. When I was a child, I spent many afternoons walking along the beach, watching the waves move up and down. I still remember the soft wind that touched my face and the warm light of the sun on the water. Those simple moments helped me feel calm and happy. I grew up in a close and loving family. I have one older brother, and we have always supported each other. My parents taught us to be kind, honest, and hardworking. They often said that good character is more important than money or success. We spent a lot of time together, especially on weekends. Sometimes we cooked meals as a family, and sometimes we went on short trips to the mountains or parks around our town. These small trips helped us build many warm memories. Even today, when life becomes busy, we still try to stay connected. When I finished high school, I moved to the city to study at a large university. It was a big change for me. The city was noisy, full of tall buildings, and full of people from many different places. At first, I felt nervous because everything was new. But I told myself to be brave and open to new experiences. Slowly, I learned to enjoy city life. I made new friends from other countries, and I learned about different cultures. I studied communication because I was interested in how people share ideas and feelings. University life taught me many things. It was not only about reading books or passing exams. It was also about learning how to solve problems, how to work in groups, and how to speak with confidence. One of my favorite memories was joining a small student team that helped new students feel welcome. We guided them around the campus, explained how things worked, and answered questions. Helping others made me feel useful and proud. After I finished university, I found a job at a small marketing office. I started as an assistant, which meant I helped the team with simple tasks such as preparing documents, sending emails, and checking information. At first, the job felt difficult because I was new and did not know much about the work. But I worked hard every day, took notes, and asked many questions. My coworkers were kind and patient, and they taught me how to do things the right way. After 1 year, I became more confident. I learned how to plan small projects and how to work with clients. I also learned that communication is very important in any job. You need to listen carefully, speak clearly, and show respect to the people you work with. Now, I help plan simple marketing ideas, and I enjoy seeing how each idea can help a business grow. Outside of work, I have 2 hobbies that bring me joy. My first hobby is cooking. I enjoy trying simple recipes from different countries. Cooking helps me relax after a long day. I like the smell of fresh ingredients, the warm feeling from the stove, and the happy moment when I taste the food I made. Sometimes I cook for my friends, and we talk for hours while enjoying the meal. My second hobby is taking photos. I use a small camera, and I like capturing daily life around me. I take photos of the sky, the streets, small shops, and people walking to work. I think photos help us remember moments that we often forget. When I look at old photos, I can feel the same emotions again. It reminds me that even simple days can be special if we pay attention. I also enjoy walking in parks. I feel peaceful when I see trees, grass, and small lakes. Sometimes I sit on a bench and watch families play or friends talk. These quiet moments help me think about my life and my goals. As for the future, I have a few dreams. I want to become better at my job and learn more about marketing. I hope to join larger projects and work with people from different places. I also want to travel to other countries so I can learn new things and meet new people. One of my biggest dreams is to start a small business one day. I do not know exactly what kind of business it will be, but I hope it will be something creative and meaningful. I believe that learning never stops. Every day gives us a chance to grow and become better. I try to stay positive, work hard, and be thankful for the people around me. My journey has not always been easy, but every challenge has helped me become stronger. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it encourages you to share your own story with confidence.
Let's learn some interesting vocabulary from the story. Wave, noun. A raised line of water that moves across the surface of the sea. Examples: the wave touched my feet at the beach. I like watching the waves move in the water. Waves make a soft sound when they hit the shore. 2. Character, noun. The qualities that show what kind of person you are. Examples: she has strong character because she is always honest. Good character helps people trust you. Parents teach children to build good character. 3. Welcome, adjective. If someone is welcome in a place, other people are happy that they are there. Examples: the team made me feel welcome on my first day. A welcome smile helps people relax. She felt welcome in her new class. 4. Campus, noun. The land and buildings of a university or college. Examples: the campus was big and beautiful. We walked around the campus on the first day. Many students sat on the campus lawn. 5. Capture, verb. To photograph, film, record, paint, etc. Somebody, something. Examples: I like to capture the sky with my camera. She captured a happy moment with her friend. He captured the colors of the sunset. 6. Encourage, verb. To give someone the courage or confidence to do something. Examples: my parents encouraged me to try new things. Her teacher encouraged her to speak in class. Friends encourage each other to keep going. Our video is over. If the story was valuable to you and you have learned something, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and turn on notifications to receive our new valuable stories every week, and write your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening and watching. We'll see you again in the next video.